Look, this is the new Apache 3. You may have some questions such as,
What are the advantages of APACHE 3?
look, it has a brand new 4G wireless transmission, which makes it possible to navigate anywhere in the world. Thanks to the high-speed 4G network coverage, its operation is easier and more efficient without the use of network bridge.
What happens if the 4G network is not good?
No worries. By uploading waypoint information in advance via Wi-Fi, the Apache 3 can navigate automatically and at the same time store the survey data locally.
Great. What else?
The Apache 3 has a brand new Overspeed Engine. The fastest vessel speed is 8 meters per second, which makes it easy to navigate through fast watersheds. You don't have to worry about the Apache 3 being swept away. Afraid of aquatic plants? Don't worry. The protective cover and bevel design can effectively prevent aquatic plants from becoming trapped. You keep control under all conditions.
Wow, so powerful. What else can it do?
Apache 3 can also carry a multi-parameter water analysis probe to perform a variety of environmental measurements.
Is it heavy?
No, it is rather compact. The Apache 3 weighs 7 kilograms and can easily be operated by one person. It can easily be put in the car thanks to its 1 meter long hull. Really convenient for bathymetric surveys and mapping wherever you go.
How about its reliability?
It is absolutely reliable. One-click return and automatic return to base in case of loss of connection are standard. Automatic obstacle avoidance. There is also a real-time HD video feed.
What about position accuracy?
The Apache 3 integrates a centimeter-level positioning and attitude sensor. Thanks to the new inertial navigation module, it also provides stable navigation even if the satellite signal tracking is lost. No more need of external RTK receiver. Apache 3 is simple and reliable. Now, you know how Apache 3 is a really different hydrographic USV.